Hello everyone, this is Allison Price of The Infused Life, and today I'm here with another non-toxic DIY recipe for you. We are keeping with the theme this February, if you're watching live, of working on detoxing the most toxic hour of our day, which is when we are in the bathroom. And so I had a lot of requests. It looks like I'm crooked here. I had a lot of requests for a hair detangler, and I know all about hair detanglers because I have very thick hair, as does my daughter. So if we aren't conditioning properly when we're washing our hair and using a detangler when we brush, we're in big trouble. So let me show you how super simple this is. I do kind of categorize this as an intermediate recipe, not because it's hard, but because there is a step where you need to boil and simmer on the stove for about 30 minutes. And so it's not the quickest recipe to make, but it's still super easy. So you need water. You need conditioner that you're using when you're shampooing and conditioning in the shower. And again, you want to be using a clean ingredient brand. Otherwise, you're kind of canceling out the whole purpose of what you're doing here. I've got my 4 essential oils of choice for hair and scalp support. So it's tea tree oil, patchouli, geranium. I know you guys can't really see that, and rosemary. And this is all linked up in the caption to this video. You have apple cider vinegar, which, believe it or not, is a great natural detangler for your hair. And then the superstar of this recipe is a marshmallow root. So marshmallow root has a lot of amazing properties, but it is well known as a natural detangler and great scalp supporter. So supporting a healthy scalp and healthy hair. So what you do is you take your water and you add 3 tablespoons of the marshmallow root to a saucepan on the stove, bring it to a boil, and then take it down to a simmer. Let it simmer for 30 minutes. Then, when it's done simmering for 30 minutes, you want to get a really fine mesh strainer. This is one that I use when I'm making loose leaf tea. And you want to pour it through the strainer and let all of that water seep out. And then I will even push it down in there once I'm done to make sure I'm getting every last drop of that out. And then you are going to take your container you're using for your detangler. This is what the finished product looks like. And you are going to add the marshmallow root water into this container along with your conditioner, your apple cider vinegar, and your essential oils. So again, the complete recipe is down in the caption, but then that's it. You're just going to shake each time before you use, and you're going to spray. And it is a wonderful conditioner for your hair. So in my home, we use this while our hair is still wet as we are brushing once we've gotten out of the shower. But this is a great all-natural way to continue to work on detoxing the most toxic hour of your day, which is when you are in the bathroom. You can grab my top 5 DIY recipes. If you are just getting started and you need a place to start, you can grab my top 5 DIY recipes complete with ingredient list and instructions for completing each recipe if you go to bit.ly, so bit.ly /top 5 DIY, and that is the numeral 5. It is also linked down below in the caption. If you go there, you can get a PDF version of my top 5 DIY recipes, complete with instructions on how to make them. And that is a great place to start if you're just getting started in this arena of doing DIY cleaning and personal hygiene products. But just remember that every time you take a minute to make your own, you are consciously working on reducing the toxic load in your home, and you are going to be better off for it. Why wait for the straw that's going to break the camel's back and say, enough, 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 toxin overload? Let's be conscious about that now and start making changes as we can. It's not that we don't have the time, it's about making it a priority. So thank you everyone for joining me again. My name is Allison Price with The Infused Life, and grab my top 5 DIY recipes at bit.ly /top 5 DIY with the numeral 5. Have a great day.